We'll guide you through how to explore your Stripe history. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Stripe website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand side of the dashboard, where you'll see a menu with different options. Click on the Payments tab to view all your transactions. Here, you can see a list of all recent payments made or received. You can filter these results by date, status, or amount to narrow down your search. If you're looking for a specific transaction, use the search bar at the top to enter keywords related to the transaction, such as the customer's name, email, or transaction ID. For a more detailed view of a particular transaction, click on it. This will give you access to all the transaction details, including fees, net amount, and payment method. If you need to export this data, you can go to the Reports section from the left-hand menu. Choose Balance or Payouts to see summaries of your financial activities. Here, you can download reports in CSV format for your records or further analysis. Remember, keeping track of your Stripe history is crucial for managing your finances effectively. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.